Hi guys, running punt 1702 for Rodolfo, which is Thor God of Thunder number 2, first appearance of Gore. Get a timestamp. Time is 2:16 on Friday 3rd of June. The time here in Perth is 2:16 on Friday the 3rd of June. List is up to 45, which is Tyler, up to 1, which is Crispy, and number 1, Crispy, and 45 is Tyler. Alright, 3 dice roll. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second last one. And the last one. Now, while you're waiting for this to unfold, you can go buy some spots in my Agent Venom punt. Thanks. Alright, that's 9 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the winner is Anthony Abdo with spot number 18. Congratulations, mate. Timestamp on that is 2:18, and the time is 2:18 here in Perth. Pre-dice roll at 9, and 45 items rolled 9 times. Give us a winner of Anthony. Thanks, everyone.